Hey everyone, welcome back. And today we are taking on a challenge, and trust me, this one is going to be satisfying. This is the current Penny Juice website, and let's be honest, it looks like it is stuck in early 20s. A messy design with colors, and honestly, not something you'd expect from a modern brand. But today, we're going to change that. I'm taking this outdated site and transforming it into a clean, modern, and professional website using Next and Tailwind CSS. So, finally, we'll compare the before and after, and you won't believe this transformation. So, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is create a folder and give it a name. Let's go with site rewrite. Then we need to open this folder and open this with cmd. Then you can give this command to create your next project and click yes. So press Y. Then they'll ask what is your project name and give a name for your project. Then click enter and click enter for all of this. Then your project will be created, and let's open it with VS Code. So here's how the project looks like, and we're working with this app folder. And to run our project, we need to open the terminal and give this command. This problem came because we are not in the right directory, so we need to go to our directory, then run the project, and you can see it runs in port 3000, and here it is. Before start coding, we need a wireframe to get an idea about how should our website needs to look like, and let's create the wireframe for our site with Figma. I've increased the video speed because it's getting boring to watch it, I think. And however, here's the final view of our wireframe, and let's get to coding. The first thing we need to do is clear this code. Then we need a folder called components to create our components, and let's make our navbar first. In this coding parts also, I have increased the video speed because it also getting boring to watch it, and if you want to code with me, then you can slow down the speed of the video, and then you also can code with me. So the coding part is done, and this is how our navbar looks like, and I think it's fine. Now let's jump to create the landing page, and to do that we need to create a new component, and then let's start coding. We can't see anything here because we need to import that component into our page.tsx, and after doing that we can see our landing page looks like this. And here I'm creating a div to give a curve shape for the page bottom, and however it goes like this, and I think it's perfect. This is the next section that we have to create. Then let's start it with creating a component. This section is also done, and let's see how that part affects to our page, and see, it looks nice and perfect. Okay, then let's move to our next section. That part also done, and this is how it is. I think it also looks nice and perfect. So this is gonna be the last section of this component, and after this let's create our footer section, and then we can go to our next pages. Is what we've done so far, and I think now the page is looking nice. And in here I've added a new section, and this is it, and I think it's perfectly matched with the UI. So the last thing we need to do is to create the footer section, and let's make that part also and finish this home page. I've added the footer section code part, and now we're going to see the result. So here's the full home page now, and I think it came better than I thought, and the next thing we need to do is create that other pages. The video is getting too much longer, and because of that I created those other pages of this site, and here's how the code goes. And if you need the code, comment below and I'll share my GitHub link for you, and then you can download the code. I think now is the time to see the difference between those two sites, and let's go for it. Starting with landing page, and first let's see their current landing page. Here it is, and then let's see how we created their landing page. So here's the landing page that we created for them, and I think it looks really well. This is the orders page, and this is the orders page we created, and I think it's also works fine. So here's the learn more section, and let's see. This is our learn more section. It also works fine, I think. And there it is. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below and let me know if this transformation was worth it. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next project. See you soon.